In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accounts in ClickUp. If you need to bring new people into your ClickUp workspace, the process is simple, but it helps to understand a few options before you send the invite. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to invite someone, choose the right access level, and make sure they can actually reach the items they need once they join. To get started, open ClickUp and look to the upper left corner of your screen. Click on your workspace avatar, then choose people from the menu. This is where you manage users and invitations for your workspace. Once you're in the people section, find the invite by email field. Enter the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure the address is typed correctly, since the invitation will be sent there, and the person will need access to that inbox to continue setup. Next, choose the appropriate role for that person. ClickUp gives you options such as member, limited member, or guest. This part is important because the role determines how much access they'll have inside your workspace. A member is typically best for someone who needs broader access and will be actively collaborating across the workspace. A limited member is useful when someone needs more controlled visibility. A guest is usually the right choice for someone who only needs access to specific items. Taking a moment here to choose the correct role can help keep your workspace organized and secure. After selecting the role, click Send Invite. At that point, ClickUp will send an invitation email to the person you entered. If you invited a guest or a limited member, there's one more important step. You'll need to share the specific workspace items they should be able to access. That could be a space, folder, list, or even an individual task, depending on what they need to work on. This ensures they can actually see the content relevant to them without being given unnecessary access to everything else. Finally, the invited person will open the invitation email and either create a ClickUp account or sign in to an existing one. Once they complete that setup, they'll be able to access the workspace according to the role and sharing permissions you assigned. That's all it takes to add accounts in ClickUp. If you're inviting multiple people, just repeat the same process for each person and double check that their roles and shared items match what they need. Thanks for watching.